How to create a file upload form in WordPress using Easy Form Builder. No coding needed. Need to let users upload files on your WordPress site? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a file upload form using Easy Form Builder. No coding, no hassle, and simple file upload is 100% free. From your WordPress dashboard, go to Easy Form Builder and click Create. Choose any template or start from scratch with a new form. You can choose between two file upload types, Simple File Upload and Drag and Drop File Upload. Drag your preferred field into the form. Then click the green gear icon to access settings and set your desired max file size. The default is 8 megabytes. Want to allow uploads larger than 20 megabytes? You'll need to update your server's php.ini file. Since hosting setups vary, reach out to your provider for help. Easy Form Builder supports up to 500 megabytes with correct server settings. To control what users can upload, click on your File Upload field and then click the green gear icon. Under File Type, choose from 5 built-in options. All Formats allows any file type. Documents, Word, PDF, PowerPoint, and more. Images, JPG, PNG, and more. Zip files, zip, RAR, and similar. Media, audio and video formats like MP3 and MP4. If you need custom file types, select Customized Ordering. A new field called Acceptable File Types will appear. By default, it shows JPG, PNG, PDF. You can change this list to any extensions you want, just separate them with commas. Once everything looks good, click Save. Copy the shortcode and paste it into any page or post. Click Publish, and your file upload form is now live. And that's how easy it is to create a file upload form in WordPress using Easy Form Builder. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what tutorial you want next.